why the real market and stock market are not alike, why they behave differently, and why most investors get trapped. Market. Which market are we talking about? The real market, where goods are made and sold, or the stock market, where expectations are traded? Because these two markets look related, but behave like strangers. You buy vegetables from a market. You buy shares from the stock market. Both use the word market, yet they behave completely differently. In one market, logic works. Price feels fair. In the other, good news can crash prices. Bad news can make you rich. Today, we'll answer one simple question. Why are the real market and stock market not alike, even though people think they are? If you understand this, your entire view of investing will change. Most investors fail, not because they lack information, but because they apply real-world logic to a financial auction. Let's separate the two markets properly. What is the real market? The real market is where products and services are physically bought and sold. Examples: vegetable market, supermarket, factory gate, real estate site, online marketplaces, Amazon, Flipkart. What is exchanged? Money, product, or service. Value is immediate and visible. You buy, you recebe. Utility starts. How prices are decided. Demand versus supply. Cost of production. Transportation. Storage. Local competition. If onions are scarce, price rises. If supply increases, price falls. This market behaves like basic economics. Reality first, price later. Place and structure of real market. The real market exists in specific locations, has physical constraints, has limited speculation. You cannot hoard infinite onions. You cannot short sell milk. You cannot trade vegetables 100 times a day. This naturally stabilizes prices. What is the stock market really? Now let's talk about the stock market. The stock market is not a place where products are sold. It is a place where ownership claims on future profits are traded. When you buy a stock, you are not buying the product. You are not buying revenue. You are buying a belief about the future. The stock market exists mostly on screens. In algorithms, in institutional balance sheets, there is no physical limitation. You can buy and sell the same stock 100 times a day. Use leverage. Short, sell. Trade without ever seeing the business. Why price behaves differently? Real market logic. Price follows usage and scarcity. Stock market logic. The stock market doesn't trade goods. It trades expectations, probabilities, narratives, relative outcomes. No factory needs to expand for a stock to rise. No sales need to collapse for a stock to fall. The stock market is anticipatory, not descriptive. Price follows expectations and liquidity. That's why profits increase, stock falls, losses increase, stock rises. Because markets don't react to facts, they react to surprise versus expectation. By the time good news arrives, smart money has already positioned. Price has already moved. Zero sum versus value creation. Real market, mostly value creating. Buyer gets utility, seller gets profit, economy grows. Stock market, mostly zero sum. One wins because another is wrong. Costs make it negative sum. This is why everyone cannot make money together, especially in trading. The biggest confusion: people say, company is good, product demand is high, economy is growing, and assume stock must go up. This is the fatal mistake. A great business can be overpriced, fully discounted, a terrible stock for years. The stock market does not reward business quality alone. It rewards timing, positioning, and patience. Global context in real world. Economy can grow steadily, yet majority of stocks underperform. Returns are concentrated in few names because capital rotates. Narratives change. Valuations matter more than stories. Remember this clearly. Real market deals in reality. Stock market deals and expectations. In the real market, value creates price. In the stock market, price creates perceived value. If you treat both markets the same, you will always feel confused. I'm Priyaranjan, CFA. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and share button and don't forget to subscribe Market Lens with BR.